How are we doing, you wonderful people? My name is Jay, and today we're taking a look at the new SMOK NFIX Kit. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the little notification bell. That way you guys will receive all the channel notifications and you can keep up to date with all the latest videos. But now that's out of the way, let's get into the video. SMOK have released the NFIX Kit as a dedicated mouth-to-lung device. The last mouth-to-lung device that SMOK have released was the M17 and the Priv M17, and both of these devices were released in the UK back in 2017. As a fan of pod systems, I was really excited to try the new NFIX to see how it fares up against other pod systems that are currently on the market. But over the years, the main downfall for any SMOK products is an inconsistent coil life. So have SMOK made a reliable, long-lasting pod, or is the NFIX going to suffer the same fate as other SMOK products? But that's enough of me talking, let's take a look at the SMOK NFIX Kit. In your box, you get one 700mAh SMOK NFIX device, two 2mm DC 0.8 ohm pods, and one USB-C charging cable. The NFIX is very lightweight and fits lovely in the hand. It has a nice glossy finish with a premium feel. One thing I really like about the NFIX is the clear pod on top, so you can clearly see how much e-liquid you have left to use. And I also like that SMOK have kept the design simple and easy to use from the pod to the device. To remove your pod, simply pull the pod out of the device. And to fit your pod, all you have to do is place your pod into the device and press down to secure. To fill your pod, simply pull back the rubber bung, fill with your e-liquid and press the rubber bung back into place. I really like that SMOK have opted for side fill-in pods, as it makes filling up a lot easier compared to bottom fill pods. The SMOK NFIX solely relies on an auto draw feature, and also has one button that does everything you need. To turn on your device, simply press the button 5 times, and to turn off your device, simply repeat this process. The one feature that makes the NFIX stand out from other pod systems is the variable wattage. To change your wattage, all you have to do is press the button 3 times. Once the wattage starts flashing, you can press the button to adjust in single watt increments, or hold the button to raise your wattage quicker. The USB port is located on the bottom of the device. SMOK have fitted a USB-C charging port on the NFIX. By having a 700mAh battery and a 2A fast charge means you're never waiting around too long for a fully charged device. And I really like that USB-C is becoming more of an industry standard when it comes to charging. But now you know everything about the SMOK NFIX, how does it vape? After trying the 0.8 DC pod, the flavour was amazing. The inhale was very smooth with no spitback or leaking issues. The overall juice consumption is also very impressive, delivering a fantastic flavour while not drinking all of your juice. Overall, SMOK have released a fantastic pod system. It's light, it's compact, produces some amazing flavour, and it's very simple and easy to use. The auto draw is very reliable, and having the adjustable wattage option is a great addition. My only criticism is currently there is only one type of pod available, making the adjustable wattage feature completely redundant until there are different pods in the range. I would recommend this device to anyone who's looking to make the switch, or any vapor who is a fan of pod systems. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you like the design of the NFIX? Do you like having adjustable wattage on a pod system? Leave a comment down below. I love talking to you guys and hearing what you guys have to say. And that wraps up today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to leave a like. Remember to subscribe with notifications turned on if you haven't already. If you guys want to see more videos from myself, I am now posting 2 videos a week on the Phoenix YouTube channel. There is a link in the description, so feel free to check it out. It'd be great to see you guys over there. And lastly, if you want to keep up with my day-to-day and see the behind the scenes of how these videos are put together, then make sure you follow my Instagram for my daily Instagram stories, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace!